Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yvonne Ejezie, and on this channel I post all things hair content, hair tutorials, hair inspirations, so that the girlies don't say they don't know what hairstyle to make next. And today we're making a nice, quick, emphasis on quick and easy hairstyle. It is bringing back that style that you know that year, that 2016, 2017, when crochet was like the in thing. We're going back, but we're also going to be mixing it with something that just became really popular among like the hairstyles, and that's boho braids. So we're going to be making crochet boho braids, and we're going to be using extensions from Noble Hair. Noble Hair has sent me 4 beautiful packs of ginger crochet boho braids, and it is so fine that I cannot wait to install it and show you guys just how good crochet hair can look. Without further preambles, let's get right into today's video while I show you how I'm going to part my hair, because there's a special parting that you're going to need to be able to achieve like seamless looking crochet braids. That's not going to make everybody be like, what's that on your hair, what's that on your hair, especially because this is colored. So we're going to be taking our sweet time to part and make it look good, then install, and I bet you that all of this is not going to take up to 4 hours. Fingers crossed. But that is going to take. So let's get started. I'm so excited. Let's get started. So I received 4 packs of the Noble pre-looped crochet boho box braid extension that comes with human hair curls, and it was absolutely beautiful. It has this pre-looped end so you can use to crochet it into your braids, and these are the tools I'm going to use to install this hairstyle. Obviously my combs and my crochet hook. Going straight into the installation process, I am sectioning my hair into the front section and the back section, and then the back section I am going to braid as though I'm trying to install a weave. The main reason I'm braiding this way is because it's going to make my hair very flat, so that when I then go ahead to install the crochet box braids, there's not going to be like that much of a bulk at the back of my head, and it's going to look natural. So I'm going to be weaving this in a circular motion, in a circular pattern, because this is just the best way to go about it. And then also when I install the crochet braids at the back of my hair and you're trying to like pack it up into a bun or a ponytail, it's not going to look tacky. It's not going to look like what's really going on at the back of your head. So this is what you're going to do. You might need help doing this, or you can even do it yourself. It doesn't have to be neat because no one is really seeing your part. The goal is to make sure you just get that pattern right. If I were making this for like a more serious purpose, or you were going to a salon, they'd probably try to sew that end in, but we're not going to do that because we're not doing anything that is going to risk our hair breaking off or cutting. So instead you're going to use a crochet hook to pass the ends of the braid through the remaining braids. That's just what I did at that point, to secure it so it doesn't pull out or anything. Now moving to the front of my hair, I'm going to be braiding as though I'm braiding cornrows, but then the center is where something different happens, and that is because the center part doesn't have to look silly or funny when you open it after installing the crochet. It needs to look a little bit natural. It needs to look like you have like regular knotless or regular box braids installed, and that's why I'm going to take the time to make individual braids or twists at the center of your head and link it into the rest of the braids, and then link the whole thing together right at the center, and do this again. Use your crochet pin to crochet the remaining braid that has connected everything into another braid, just because you don't want to sew it in. And there's really no need to use needle and thread for this hairstyle. This hairstyle has to be easy to install, easy to loosen without any loss of your hair. And that's what I'm doing right now, crocheting the end of the braids into the rest of my hair, and it's good to go. Let's move right into the installation process. You might notice that I didn't show every single crochet braid that I installed, and that's because we've been doing this for ages. You might not really need to like watch this tutorial, but if you do need to, look at this particular one I'm doing. I passed the braid under my hair and I looped it into the hole and I tightened it, and I'm going to repeat this. Looping it in is very easy. Just make sure it's tight and secure, and it's not going to loosen until you unloop it, loosen it. I don't know. Either way, you're sure that your braids are going to look flawless and fabulous in the end. But yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's time to review the hair that we installed yesterday. I installed almost every single strand. I think I have like 5 strands left, so it's quite full. And each pack had about 30. Each pack had 30, so if I use 4, that's about 120 minus 5. You know, give or take 114, 116, 115, thereabout. But that's just how many strands of boho braids are on my hair. See, I don't know. I'm like, it's orange. Is it ginger? But I think it's fine. So I'll just unveil it and show you guys. So you tell me what you think. Then we'll like prep it a little bit with like mousse to my edges, and I'll show you the final look. Hi guys, this is what the final result looks like. This hair is down. It's so fine. The ginger color goes so well with my skin tone, and the length, this is 24 inches by the way. It is 24 inches and it is super fine. I love the length. I love where it stops. It is also quite full, like even when I turn to the back, as you would see in some other clips, you can't see my scalp or anything. It's really full. The fact that it is crochet makes it even better because it didn't take long to install. It's also going to be very easy to take down, and most of all, my hair strands actually don't have to get rough. Do you know what that means? It means I can carry this for as long as I want, like maybe a month, and the braid itself won't get rough because my hair is not in between, and it was braided so neatly, like from the factory. It was produced so perfectly. The curls are also so many that it looks so full. See, the boho vibes is really giving. It's really giving boho. It screams money. It screams you. So this is one hair extension that I actually would recommend to you if you're kind of babe that doesn't like stress. You don't like to sit down for long hours. You don't like to have to, pick attachment and give someone attachment. You don't even want to do the DIY by yourself and spend weeks or days like working on braiding your hair, but you still want to have that full, gorgeous, luxurious look. Come on, get into this extension from Noble Hair. This is the boho braids in ginger. This is color 350. I'm calling it ginger because like that's the vibe I'm giving. But this is color 350. Color 350, 24 inches boho braids from Noble Hair. You guys, they have so many other colors that you can pick from. I think they have gold, they have black, they have brown. Go to their website, go to their page, and search for the one that suits your skin. See, I'm sure all of them will suit your skin, but like search for the one you like best, get it, install it, and slay. Like, it is so soft. It doesn't tangle, like it's super soft. I actually love the way the curls fall. Let me show you. Like the way they fall. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Look at this beauty. Look at this. Look at this. Go get yours. I'm going to put the link on how you can get it in my description box. Make sure you install this hair. I don't want to hear stories about I don't like sitting down long for braids and all of that. You do not have to sit down for a long period of time. I installed this, like I said, I'm going to do it under 4 hours, and I know I was like working on this from like 7 till 9. Yeah, installing took from 7 till 9. Yeah. So what are you saying? What are you saying? Who will know that it took you 2 hours and you step out looking this good? And other people are spending 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours at the salon because they want to install the same braids. Please be wiser. Let's be wiser and let's do things the smarter way. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What's keeping you from going to install this hairstyle? Don't let anything keep you. Don't let anything stop you. Head straight to their website and go get yours today. Thank you so much for watching my video up until this point. I am super grateful for your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and leave a comment telling me whether you like this hair or not. Till next time, I'm Yvonne. Bye, loves.